This is stuck. An abandoned school full of monsters. Nice. A machine gun. Did it belong to a teacher? Fresh air. Another machine gun. Where can I use this? Nice. A weapon that cannot be missed. Parasites. Lots of them. The school exit must be somewhere around here. Rats everywhere. Pliers. Again. More rats. I won't be your snack.
I need gasoline. Can you help me? I can give you a ride.
No problem. Is this a hotel? A gallon with fuel. We can go now.
I need gasoline. Can you help me? I can give you a ride.
Now we arrive at some bridge. The path is blocked. Maybe I can do something to solve this. The path is blocked again.
Lost my catch. Can you help me?
Imagine how much I hate spiders. Even more mutant spiders. Done. Now all that's left is for me to give the cat to the girl.
Thank you.
I can use this on that gate. Now just jump over the gate and voila. I can see a ladder. This purple monster is here. How great. Don't look down, just focus on the path. It's an elevator. I'll have to use it. I don't have much choice. Now I'm in a bunker. This creature is new. I've never found one like it. I need a tool to open this. I think I'll need a key. What a shame there isn't a shower. I found the key. It wasn't that hard. Maybe I can find something to get rid of these planks. An axe. Perfect. There must be a mechanism that can open this. Parasites. Locked. There is another way. This looks like something out of a horror movie. It feels like I'm in another part of the bunker. I think I can get out of here just by jumping and climbing. I have to get to the highway. Jess is smart. She must be heading there too. Get out of here. I have to cross these mountains. This key must be from that house. There is a sense of peace in this place. 3 keys? I've never seen a door that needed so many keys. I acquired all the keys. Now I'm in a village. At least it must be safer than the abandoned cities.
Can you help me with something?
This thing again? Finally, this is over.
I have one gift to you.
Oh, this is great. We have to reach the main highway, in that direction.
Okay, I got it.
Jesse, don't run. Wait! Don't go! Here we go again. This thing can't get in here? Great. Did I enter a kennel? A person? In that place? Hello? The main highway should be close by. Let's go. Nothing useful here. An abandoned school, full of monsters. There isn't a shower